Hello everyone, welcome back to another English lesson. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in English grammar, nouns. Everything around you has a name. Your phone, your house, your country, your dreams, your happiness, even your imagination. These names are called nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will understand exactly what a noun is, how to identify one, where it is used, and why it is the backbone of every English sentence. So let's begin. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, a place, an animal, a thing, an idea, a feeling, a quality. Simply remember, if it has a name, it is probably a noun. Examples: Kabir, doctor, teacher, Delhi, India, hospital, dog, cat, lion, book, laptop, bottle, water, fan, love, honesty, freedom, anything which you can name, even beauty, intelligence, knowledge, music, hope. Anything which you can name is a noun. Examples in sentences. Kabir is studying. Here, Kabir is a noun. The doctor arrived early. Here, doctor is a noun. Delhi is the capital of India. Here, Delhi is a noun. India is a noun as well. The dog is sleeping. Here, dog is a noun. Love makes life beautiful. Very true. Love is a noun. Honesty is the best policy. Here, honesty is a noun. Quick identification trick. Ask yourself, can I give this a name? If yes, it's usually a noun. For example, table, school, teacher, river, mountain. Repeat after me, okay? Happiness, friendship, all are nouns. Things that are not nouns: run, beautiful, quickly, sleep, jump, very. These belong to different parts of speech. We will learn those later. Now, coming to the question, why are nouns important? Without nouns, we cannot tell who, what, where, and for whom we are talking about. Compare these two sentences. Someone gave something to someone. Now compare, Rahul gave a book to Ria. The second sentence is much clearer because of nouns. Now let's understand functions of nouns. Nouns can work as subject, object, subject complement, object of preposition, possessive, apposition, and vocative. Let's understand each. Noun as a subject. The subject performs the action. For example, the baby is sleeping. In this sentence, baby is the noun. It performs the action. More examples. The teacher explained the lesson. Birds fly. The train arrived. My mother cooks delicious food. Let's understand noun as a direct object. Direct object is the one which receives the action. She bought a laptop. Here, laptop is the noun and a direct object. He kicked the ball. Ball is the noun. I love music. Music is the noun and direct object. Indirect object. She gave Rahul a gift. Rahul receives the gift. Here, Rahul is indirect object and gift is direct object. Another example. My father bought me a bicycle. Here, me is indirect object and bicycle is direct object. Noun as an object of a preposition. The book is on the table. Table follows the preposition own. She lives in Canada. Canada follows the preposition in. Noun as subject complement. My father is a doctor. Doctor renames the subject. She became an engineer. Here, engineers describes the subject. Noun as object complement. They elected Rahul captain. Here, captain renames Rahul. The class chose her leader. Here, leader renames her. Possessive noun. Ria's bag, Kabir's notebook, the dog's tail, India's culture. The apostrophe shows ownership. Apposition. My brother Aman is a pilot. Aman gives more information about the subject. Another example. The city of Paris attracts millions. Paris explains which city. Vocative noun. Rahul, please come here. Children, listen carefully. Friends, welcome. The noun is used for direct address. Can one sentence have many nouns? Yes. Example. The teacher gave the students homework in the classroom. In this sentence, teacher, students, homework, classroom. All are nouns. Nouns are everywhere. Look around your room. Chair, table, laptop, bottle, fan, door, window, books, bag, ceiling fan, phone, chalk, pen, pencil, eraser, cloak. Everything you can name is likely a noun. Activity time. Pause this video. Write down 10 nouns from your room. Ready? Great. Now we will look at common mistakes. The following sentence is incorrect. She is beauty. It's wrong. She is beautiful. It's correct. Beauty is a noun. Beautiful is an adjective. Another incorrect sentence. He has honest. It's incorrect. The correct version of this sentence is he has honesty. Mini quiz time. Identify the noun in the following sentences. The cat is sleeping. In this sentence, the noun is cat. The boy plays football. In this sentence, the noun is boy and football. She loves chocolate. In this sentence, the noun is chocolate. The river flows quickly. In this sentence, the noun is river. Freedom is priceless. In this sentence, the noun is freedom. Memory trick. Anything which you can name is a noun. If you can name it, it's usually a noun. Recap time. Today you learned meaning of nouns, definition, why nouns are important, identification tricks, functions of nouns, examples, common mistakes, practice questions. In the next lesson, we will study the different types of nouns in depth. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning.